What's up, guys? Jay Nails here. Welcome to the Aries Moto, home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick and definitely not easy. Welcome. Today we are continuing working on our little Fiat 500, which is covered under here, but that's okay because the engine's right here and the clutch is right here, more importantly, and that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be installing clutch kit. And we're gonna connect the tranny back to the engine. Yep, so as you know, I was complaining last time when I was doing the update why this engine died. I was complaining about the price of this thing. And this thing, actually both of these things I bought on eBay. This is the right there, SKF. Made in Deutschland, Germany. I actually got this on eBay. Shipped 3 days from Germany. It was like 30 euros for this and 35 euros for shipping, so about 100 pesos. Whoa, easy. About 100 pesos, brand new German quality. So yeah, and this I actually also got on eBay, and you seen the video of this little tool that old man made, and it's still a screwdriver, it's usable. Anyways, so the clutch was also bought on eBay for, what is it, 100 bucks, 150 bucks?
Which
This one, I don't know, I think it was like
bucks American.
100 bucks American. America! So let's do this. So what are you gonna do first?
Clean.
It's an angle grinder with the sponge type of a brush. Sure. Alright.
Metal.
Metal cleaner.
That's an old clutch, not too bad. We replace. You see that? We replace for this. That's a 74,000 kilometers. Look, that's everything good, not too bad. That's a good.
The basket, those plates.
Yeah. That's it.
That's the part that touches the
That's
clutch.
clean. That's a beautiful. Too good.
The shield.
Manually go to metal holding for fillet. This is for automatic. We no replace. Just stay. Just take the sensor and stay the aluminum. Check the catch.
So general rule of thumb is that not just for bolts for clutch, for flywheel, not clutch, for flywheel. Yeah, but the general rule is if OEM, if the factory put a Loctite, then you put yours.
Take back same and it put the Loctite.
Those two. Okay, so you want to put a Loctite first on your bolts, and then now you're gonna put your plate. Is there any way that plate goes, or?
The plate is doesn't open the bolt, so like a security.
Which way does it go? Show all the holes in line.
That's 8 millimeters.
So. These suckers are 14 Newton meters, which is 10.33 foot pounds, or 123 inch pounds, almost 124. Alright, so we have a little bit of a problem. The problem is, you can see right here, and that mount at the back is automatic, because remember that EAB, EAC, whatever K, just a tiny bit. You don't want to overdo it, so it doesn't end up on a flywheel on a surface. Like, that's what I meant. Okay, so it's time for immigrant tool to make appearance.
See, that's
It's centered. T30.
no complete tight. Just a little bit by a little bit, a little bit by a little bit.
Alrighty, so that's out. And the next thing is the fly bearing, throwout bearing.
Look direct.
straight up. Yeah. Good. Good, good, good. Good.
Now we put that.
So you're using a sandpaper just a little bit to clean up the dust and whatnot.
Just see, go easy.
Okay, show which way it goes.
Yes, that's a plastic. Just we put it sand a little bit, put the grease.
Just a tiny bit.
Put the grease. You put a little bit this grease.
Just a tiny bit.
And we have to clean it.
That's a lithium grease.
That's any grease. And we put, you see, that's a push on this. We put a little bit. That's a sit on fork. See, that's a sit on fork. Oh, that's a wrong way. So this you have teeth to catch this on pork. See?
Yep. Stays in place. A little bit towards the light, so you can't see anything.
There's a push on catch that tip. That's it.
Clutch is on. Transmission is on. The engine is not on. Yes. This thing is ready to be put.
Oh, we need to